Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, I'm back in the kitchen again. Guys, today I'm here making some Rasta pasta. Guys, it is so good, it is so flavorful, it is so tasty, guys. So come along and enjoy, and let's make some Rasta pasta. Yes guys, here's my chicken breast, and I have piece of untowel here. What I'm doing with this untowel, I'm just taking off some of the water off my chicken breast. Okay guys, so guys, what I'm going to use is up my chicken breast. I'm just going to pour a little bit of olive oil on my chicken, just a little. And I'm going to use my hand and just spread the olive oil all over the chicken. Just going to turn it around. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to add some of my jerk marinade seasoning. Just want to measure it for you guys. This is a teaspoon. Just going to add 2 teaspoons of jerk marinade seasoning. Just going to spread it all over my chicken. Next guys, I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of this season, garlic, ginger and pimento. Gonna put 1/2 teaspoon of thyme. I have the dry thyme here. 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. And this paprika, I'm going to give it a little color. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of jerk season. Then my all-purpose now is my lawry seasoning salt. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of that also. Next, I'm going to add some dry basil. Just 1/2 teaspoon. And then next guys, I'm gonna just rub up my chicken breast. And you can leave this to marinate for an hour or 2. So what I'm going to do next is to get my pot on the stove. This is it. Well, seasoning. So guys, here is my pot is on the stove, but I fried like a plantain yesterday in this oil. So I'm going to use the same oil and fry my chicken breast. And this is the amount of oil. I'm not going to add any more. I'm not going to take away any oil from this. Okay guys, I'm just going to let it hot and then I put in my chicken breast. So guys, my pot is hot. I don't want it too well hot. So what I'm doing now, just putting in my chicken breast. And I'm just going to turn down the stove. Just going to turn it right down. Okay guys? I'm going to put the heat on to number 4. Just let it go and fry. So guys, I just want to turn over my chicken breast. Look at this beautiful brown golden gold looking my chicken look. You see that? See that? It is so nice. I love this color guys. So this is how it looks, guys. See that? Like brown and looks so nice. It's so juicy also. Guys, I'm gonna take out my chicken breast. I don't want them to get burned. Okay, guys. I'm gonna put them on pizza and towel. So guys, this is how my chicken breast look. So what I'm gonna do now is to put on my pasta. Okay, guys? So guys, this is my water that I'm gonna boil my pasta in. So I'm gonna put a little salt in there. Just a little tip of salt. I'm not gonna put in my pasta until the water starts boil up. Pasta. This is just 1.5 cup of pasta. And I'm gonna let this pasta boil for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we take it off. Okay guys. So guys, here I have my bell peppers and I have piece of onion and 1 peg of garlic. So what I'm gonna do now, I just crush my garlic. Let's put it aside. Gonna dice up my onion. Bell peppers. Just gonna put them together and give it a next slice in the middle. What I'm doing, I'm just changing over my pot. I just feel like say too little. So I'm going to change it over. So what I do now, guys, I'm going to put in my, I didn't throw any oil. I did not add any oil to my pot. It's the same oil I used to fry the chicken breast. So this is it, same way. I don't want to take out these out there because these are the season when you season up the chicken breast. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna add next is my garlic, onion and my bell peppers. My seasoning, just gonna let them stir fry for a minute or two. Guys, what I'm going to do now, here I have my heavy cream. I'm just going to add 1 cup of heavy cream into my seasoning right here. So what I'm going to do now is to add a little bit of pepper. There's some pepper green right here. Just gonna add a little spice. Gonna have some dry basil, just a little bit. Just season up this thing here. Gonna add a little bit of jerk seasoning and a little bit more of all-purpose season. Just gonna leave this for a minute or two before putting my cheese and my pasta and my chicken breast. Just a minute or two. What I'm doing now, guys, is gonna get my chicken breast ready. Just gonna put some slice in my chicken breast. Just gonna give it a next slice. And this is my chicken breast. Guys, this is how it look. What I'm gonna do next, so guys, what I'm doing right now, I'm just adding my pasta to my heavy cream, and I just combine everything together. Look at this, guys. Oh my God, I'm loving it, guys. So what I'm gonna add next is my cheese, and I'm not gonna add a lot of cheese because when I have a lot of cheese, I don't like it. So I'm just gonna add some regular cheddar cheese. Okay, guys. Yeah, that's it. I'm not gonna add any more cheese. Then I'm gonna add my chicken breast. So that's gonna mix my chicken breast in my pasta. Combine everything together. Look at this, guys. I'm loving it. Oh my God. So beautiful this look. Yes, guys. I'm just gonna let this stay on the fire for just a minute, and then I just lock off the stove because this is all done. Ooh. And this is it, guys. My Rasta pasta. Oh my God, I'm loving it. Ooh. So guys, this is the finished look of my Rasta pasta. Guys, it tastes so good. May I tell you, say it bad. Me not lie. It tastes so good, guys. So guys, I'm gonna put all the ingredients in the description box. So guys, if you do try this recipe, tell me all about it down the comment box. Okay, guys. So guys, thank you for watching. Big up on yourself. If you're not subscribed yet, guys, subscribe and share and comment. Big up on yourself, guys, and thank you so much for watching. God bless. Bye and enjoy.